What's your blokes and blokettes? I know, it's been a minute. A lot's happened this year, a heck of a lot. So I thought I'd better drop a small, short video before the actual year end, just to start digging into some of the content and hours of footage, literally hundreds of hours of footage that I've been recording this past 18 months or so. Forgive me, the editing program has also changed, so it's a completely new learning curve for me, but I hope by dropping this one, I'll be dipping my toe back in the YouTube scene, and it will give me the ability to try out a few little things. I hope to drop a few more of these shorter videos in the foreseeable future, just to start getting myself caught up. But with that, I'm going to shut up. I'm going to jump straight onto Fiona, underneath her front wing, pulling out her horn, which doesn't work. Talk to you soon. I'm the Baldy Britbloke, and this is my YouTube channel. Oi oi! Please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share. Oi oi! Come on, baby. Okay, here she comes. It is super rusty. So there's the horns. Really badly rusted, so I wouldn't be surprised if there's some bad connections in there, so I think I'm just going to get a new one. Can't see anything else wrong with it. I've checked the cables. I think it's just really badly rusted. And this was the side that was hit. The passenger side was the side that was hit in the accident, mostly. Alright, I've already opened this to check that it was the right one, but how about this? See the difference? That is really badly corroded, really badly rusted. So I'm hoping that will be the problem fixed and Fiona will beep beep. FOMO-co, as it says there. I didn't make it up, see? Dodgy people, Ford. Yep, hopefully that'll fix it and she'll be good as new. It looks to me like this is one from a wrecker's. That's often what they do, is they put their little mark on it. Alright. Spun her around quickly, got her up on the jack. That's the little connector there. I'm going to grab the new horn assembly and connect it and see if it works. It works, and it's a proper horn. There she is, all nice and shiny, just wrapped up with a little bit of electrical tape, the connector there, and time to put her back into position. Just have to get a little 8mm spanner on that, 8mm socket. Tighten her up and put the wheel liner back in, wheel back on, should be good as new. Sweet. Why does that always happen to me? There we go. What a pain in the arse, eh? Pain in the arse. In now. Let's screw back in here. Now I put the wheel back on quick. Okay, there we are. It is gone, so I'm going to put the dust caps back in, and she'll be okay until the spring now. With her horn working again. Whoop whoop. So horny. So that, blokes and blokettes, is it for this one. Thanks for following along. If you enjoy the content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. And I'll shut up, and I'll see you all very soon. Toodle-pip.